Animal Crossing Day 1. We've just settled into our house with a nice TV here. What you're watching?
Oh, I'm just watching the Animal Crossing news.
There you go.
Seems like the weather's going to be very nice tomorrow and today.
Let's see what I've got in our drawers.
Shoes.
And some hats.
You're not looking here, it's secret. You can if you want.
What's in there?
You can find out. I'm joking.
What's in there? Oh, money bags. Money.
£200.
£2,000.
£2,000.
Right, we better go and visit Tangy. It's her birthday. There's her house. Let's go. We're here. Oh, nice place you've got here, Tangy. Thank you. So what do you want to do? Not sure. How about we have a party? Woohoo! Woo! Whoa! So much partying. Better head home now. Oh, heading home. Oh, what's this? It's a pit. Better dig it up, see what I can find. Just ding, a fossil. Yay. Before we go, let's go fishing.
Forgetting something.
Lots of fish in there. Finally sitting down in front of the TV. What are you doing, Jess?
Just hooking up some stuff like usual.